Sleep your way slimmer. Fact or fiction? Did you know that you can burn calories even while you sleep? It's true. Your body is always working, even at rest. It needs energy to keep your heart beating, your lungs breathing, and your brain functioning. Many people think that losing weight requires strenuous exercise and strict dieting. But what if I told you there's a more effortless way to shed those extra pounds, particularly that stubborn belly fat? Imagine waking up lighter and leaner without even breaking a sweat. That's the exciting promise of a special drink I'm about to share with you. This drink, my friends, is designed to work its magic while you sleep, helping you melt away belly fat and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Intrigued? Read on to discover the secret. Let's talk about the Nighttime Belly Blaster, a delicious and easy-to-make drink designed to boost your metabolism and torch belly fat while you sleep. This drink is packed with natural ingredients known for their fat-burning properties. The Nighttime Belly Blaster works by optimizing your body's natural nighttime processes. While you sleep, your body goes into repair and recovery mode. This is also a crucial time for fat burning and metabolism regulation. By providing your body with the right nutrients before bed, you can enhance these processes and wake up feeling lighter and more energized. This isn't about a quick fix. It's about making a small change with big, lasting results. The Battle of the Bulge. Why belly fat is so stubborn. We all know that belly fat can be incredibly stubborn to lose. It's a common struggle that many people face, regardless of their age or fitness level. It seems like no matter how many crunches we do or salads we eat, that stubborn bulge just won't budge. You might be wondering why this is the case, especially when you're putting in so much effort. But why is belly fat so resistant to our weight loss efforts? The answer lies in the unique nature of this type of fat and how it behaves in our bodies. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is more than just a cosmetic concern. Unlike subcutaneous fat, which lies just under the skin, visceral fat is stored deep within the abdominal cavity. It's a metabolically active type of fat that surrounds your internal organs. This means it can have a significant impact on your body's overall function and health. This type of fat is linked to serious health issues like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. The presence of visceral fat can lead to increased inflammation and insulin resistance, which are key factors in these diseases. The good news is that by incorporating the Nighttime Belly Blaster into your routine, you can fight back against belly fat and improve your overall health. This drink is designed to work with your body's natural processes to help you shed those extra pounds. This simple drink can help boost your metabolism, reduce inflammation, and promote better sleep, all of which contribute to a slimmer waistline and a healthier you. By drinking it before bed, you're giving your body the tools it needs to burn fat more effectively while you rest. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and knowing that you're one step closer to your fitness goals. So, why not give it a try and see the difference it can make in your journey to a healthier, happier you? The science behind the SIP ingredients and benefits. So what exactly makes the Nighttime Belly Blaster so effective? It's not just any ordinary drink, it's a carefully crafted blend designed to work with your body's natural processes. It's all in the unique combination of natural ingredients, each chosen for its powerful fat-burning and metabolism-boosting properties. These ingredients have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and are now backed by modern science. Let's break down the key ingredients and their benefits. Understanding each component will help you appreciate the synergy they create. Cucumber. This refreshing vegetable is a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess water weight and reduce bloating. It's also incredibly hydrating, which is essential for overall health and well-being. It's also low in calories and high in fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. The fiber content aids in digestion, ensuring that your digestive system works smoothly. Lemon. This citrus fruit is packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost metabolism and burn fat. Vitamin C is also crucial for the immune system, helping your body fend off illnesses. Lemon juice also aids digestion and helps detoxify the liver. A healthy liver is vital for processing and eliminating toxins from your body, making it easier to lose weight. Ginger. This zesty root is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce bloating and improve digestion. Inflammation can hinder weight loss, so reducing it is key. Ginger can also boost metabolism and help regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels mean fewer cravings and more consistent energy throughout the day. Mint. This aromatic herb not only adds a refreshing flavor, but also aids digestion and can help reduce cravings. Mint has been shown to soothe the stomach and improve the flow of bile, which the body uses to digest fats. Together, these simple ingredients work synergistically to create a powerful drink that can help you achieve your weight loss goals while you sleep. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, more refreshed, and ready to take on the day. This drink is not just about losing weight, it's about enhancing your overall health and well-being. So why not give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself? Section 5. Real People, Real Results, Testimonials. In this section, we bring you the voices of those who have experienced remarkable transformations. Their stories are a testament to the effectiveness of the nighttime belly blaster. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to the real-life experiences of individuals who have made incredible progress on their weight loss journeys. The nighttime belly blaster has helped countless individuals achieve their weight loss goals and improve their overall well-being. From shedding stubborn belly fat to feeling more energized, the results speak for themselves. Here are just a few inspiring testimonials that highlight the transformative power of this amazing product. I've always struggled with belly fat, but after incorporating the nighttime belly blaster into my routine, I've noticed a significant difference. My waistline has shrunk, and I feel more confident in my own skin. I wake up feeling less bloated and my clothes fit better. Sarah M. Sarah's story is just one of many that show how this product can change lives. This drink is a game changer. It's not just about losing weight, it's about feeling healthier and more vibrant every day. It's so easy to make, and it actually works. The convenience of the nighttime belly blaster makes it a perfect addition to any nightly routine. I've lost inches off my waistline, and I feel more energized than ever. John D. John's experience shows that with dedication and the right product, achieving your fitness goals is possible. I was skeptical at first, but I'm so glad I tried the nighttime belly blaster. The results have exceeded my expectations, and I feel better than I have in years. It's become a part of my nightly routine, and I've never felt better. Emily S. Emily's story is a perfect example of how integrating this product into your daily life can lead to lasting benefits. These are just a few examples of the incredible results people are experiencing with the nighttime belly blaster. Join the community of satisfied users and start your transformation today. The journey to a healthier, happier you begins with one simple step. Section 6. Mix up your metabolism, the belly blaster recipe. Ready to experience the incredible benefits of the nighttime belly blaster for yourself. Here's the simple recipe. Half a cucumber, sliced, half a lemon, juiced, 1-inch piece of ginger, grated, a handful of fresh mint leaves, 8 ounces of water. 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. 2. Strain the mixture into a glass and enjoy it before bed. For an extra boost of flavor and detoxification, add a dash of cayenne pepper to your drink. Section 7. Sweet Dreams, Slimmer You. Recap of benefits. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's recap the incredible benefits of incorporating the nighttime belly blaster into your routine. The unique combination of ingredients helps fire up your metabolism even while you sleep. By targeting visceral fat, the nighttime belly blaster helps you achieve a slimmer waistline and reduce your risk of serious health issues. The soothing properties of mint and ginger contribute to a more restful night's sleep, essential for weight loss and overall health. Cucumber and lemon work together to flush out toxins and reduce bloating. With just a few simple ingredients, you can enjoy this refreshing and flavorful drink every night. Section 8. Join the Sleep Your Way Slim Revolution. Are you ready to unlock the power of nighttime weight loss and wake up to a slimmer, healthier you? Try the nighttime belly blaster for yourself and experience the amazing benefits firsthand. This simple drink can be your secret weapon in the fight against belly fat and a catalyst for achieving your weight loss goals. Share your experience with the nighttime belly blaster in the comments below. Let's inspire each other on this journey to better health and well-being.